Exposing the secret behind vanilla ice cream's supremacy. Ready to have your taste buds tickled? All right, food lovers. Vanilla ice cream is like the superhero of desserts. It's simple, but oh so powerful. Sure, chocolate's great and strawberries fun, but vanilla? It's the classic you can't beat. Why? First, it's the perfect blank canvas. You can top it with anything: sprinkles, chocolate syrup, or even crushed cookies. It plays well with others, making every topping shine. Second, vanilla's flavor is comforting and familiar. It's like a warm hug in a cone. And let's not forget its history. Vanilla was once so rare, it was only for royalty. Eating vanilla is like tasting a piece of history. So next time you reach for ice cream, remember, vanilla's not boring, it's versatile, historical, and totally delicious. Stay cool and keep it creamy.